Good morning, students. આપણે preparations કરી હતી of alkyne compounds. Now it is chemical reactions of alkyne compounds. As alkyne also having double bond or pi bond, it gives addition reaction. So one by one we will discuss reactions of alkyne. इसमें सबसे पहले है acidic character of alkynes. Acidic character of alkyne. How do we know that alkynes are acidic in nature? When they are treated with a strong base like sodium or sodamine, they form salt and hydrogen gas is released. Suppose we take an example of ethyne. So when this ethyne is treated with sodium, metal, hydrogen replaced, we get sodium acetylide. This is called acetylene gas. So this is known as sodium acetylide. Plus hydrogen gas released. We know that if acid is treated with metal and hydrogen gas is released, we can say that it is acid. Well, this is one of the characteristic of acid. So when acetylene is treated with sodium, salt form is sodium acetylide and hydrogen gas is released. Suppose we'll write IUPAC name, ethyne, and this is called sodium ethynide. Sodium ethynide. Common name is sodium acetylide and IUPAC name is sodium ethynide and hydrogen gas is released. So this reaction proves the acidic nature of acetylene or ethyne. One more reaction is there. Suppose this ethyne is treated with sodamine, sodium amide, which is very strong base. क्या होता है इसको? Sodamine, or it is also known as sodium amide. Then too this hydrogen is replaced by sodium. Same, we have sodium acetylide and ammonia gas is released. So this reaction also proves the acidic nature of ethyne. Because when any substance treated with metal or with a base, if salt is formed, we can say that the given compound is acid. So ethyne is acid because it combines with sodium to give hydrogen gas. It combines with base. Sodamide is a strong base. Or base સાથે salt and ammonia gas produce. That means that it is acidic in nature. Same reactions not given by ethene or ethane. Suppose we react sodium by ethene, there is no reaction. Suppose we take ethane and it is treated with sodium, there will be no removal of hydrogen gas or no reaction. मतलब ये acidic नहीं है. Ethene or ethane, they are not acidic. Only ethyne is acidic. Now what is the reason behind it? क्या reason है कि ethyne acidic होता है और ethene or ethane acidic नहीं है? What is the reason? And one more thing, all alkynes are not acidic. Alkynes are acidic but not all. Which type of alkynes are acidic? Why alkynes are acidic? That we will find out. So alkynes are acidic because of the difference in the electron negativity or hybridization of the carbon, triple bonded carbon. We know that in alkyne compounds, carbon is sp hybridized. In alkane, it is sp3. In alkene, it is sp2. While in alkynes, hybrid state of carbon is sp. Now we know that if the carbon is sp hybridized, s character is more. कितना होगा 50%. One s and one p. So in sp hybrid orbital, s character is 50%. जितना ज्यादा ऑर्बिटल में s character होता है, more the s character, more it will be attracted toward the nucleus. So it is more electronegative carbon. S character 50%. So electron negativity of carbon is more. Carbon. ये इलेक्ट्रॉन नेगेटिविटी एल्कीन के केस में कितना होता है? This is sp2 hybridized. sp2 means s character 33.33%, which is less compared to 50%. While in ethane, there is single bond. This is ethane. In ethane, what is hybrid state of carbon? sp3. And what is s character? 25%, which is least. जितनु વધારે s character હોય, उतना ज्यादा electronegative carbon और उतना ज्यादा bond कैसा होगा? Polar. Which carbon hydrogen bond is more polar? This one. ये जो carbon hydrogen का bond है, it is less polar. This one. And this carbon hydrogen bond is least polar. So if carbon is attached to triple bond, hybrid state is sp, s character 50%, more s character, more electron negativity. If more electronegative carbon attached to hydrogen, then the bond is polar. How it is polar? This electron pair shift more towards carbon, so this will be removed as H plus. And anything that gives H plus is acidic in nature. And this type of acidic character or this type of removal of H plus is not seen in alkene or alkane. Somebody asks you why alkynes are acidic in nature. What is the reason? Because in alkyne, the hydrogen attached to triply bonded carbon, the hydrogen that is attached to triple bonded carbon is removed as H plus because that carbon hydrogen bond is polar. Why it is polar? Because carbon, the hybrid state is sp, s character 50%, 50% s character का मतलब more electron. So all alkynes are acidic in nature because carbon hydrogen bond is polar. Now, not all hydrogen in alkynes are acidic. सारे हाइड्रोजन नहीं होते alkynes में. जैसे suppose we have but1-ine. This is but2-ine and this is but1-ine. Both are alkyne. दोनों alkyne. इसमें टोटल 6 हाइड्रोजन है, इसमें भी 3, 2, 5 और 1 6 हाइड्रोजन है. All hydrogens are acidic. All hydrogen get replaced when they are treated with base or sodium. Answer is no. Which hydrogens are replaceable hydrogen? Yeah, which hydrogens are acidic in nature? The hydrogens that are connected to triple bonded carbon. Only this hydrogen is replaceable, not these two, or not this. So this is not acidic. Acidic nothing, because it won't have acidic hydrogen. So but1-ine, when treated with sodium, it gives hydrogen gas, but but2-ine when treated, it won't. कौन से alkynes acidic होते हैं? Terminal alkynes are acidic. Which alkyne? Terminal alkynes are acidic. Terminal alkynes are acidic. Okay? जैसे ब्यूट 1 आइन, पेंट 1 आइन, हेक्स 1 आइन, ये सारे एसिडिक है। अगर ट्रिपल बॉन्ड बीच में है, जैसे इसमें है, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड वाले कार्बन के पास तो हाइड्रोजन नहीं है, that alkynes are not acidic. Okay, so ethyne is acidic, more acidic, फिर ethene और उसके बाद ethene. This is the acidic order of alkyne, alkene and alkane. कोई पूछे why it is most acidic? Because hybrid state of carbon is sp, here sp2, sp3. S character maximum 33.33, 25%. More S character, more electronegativity, more polar bond, acidic. ठीक, फिर सारे अल्काइंस होंगे जैसे ये है, ये ज्यादा एसिडिक होता है प्रोपाइन से, ये ज्यादा एसिडिक होगा ब्यूटाइन से। लोएस्ट जिसमें कार्बन एटम प्रेजेंट होते हैं, that will be more acidic. So, first nature of alkyne compound, या chemical property of alkyne compound is alkynes are acidic in nature because of hybrid state of carbon, that is carbon is sp hybridized. Clear? Now next, alkyne gives addition reaction. Second type of reaction given by alkyne compound is एडिशन रिएक्शन। दो पाई बॉन्ड है, जैसे अल्कीन दे रहा था वैसे ये भी देंगे एडिशन रिएक्शन। सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन एडिशन रिएक्शन। 2 moles will be added because it has 2 pi bond. ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होता है ना अल्काइन्स में, so 2 molecules will be added. Suppose we are adding hydrogen, 2 mole hydrogen will add. Suppose we are adding halogens, 2 mole halogen will be added. So generally they gives addition reactions because of presence of 2 pi bond. कैसे ऐड होगा देखिए। Suppose we have this alkyne, any alkyne in general. Suppose we add HZ to it. H is positive, Z is negative. एक कार्बन पे H ऐड होगा, एक कार्बन पे Z ऐड, क्या बनेगा? C, यहाँ पे H, डबल बॉन्ड C और यहाँ पे Z. विनाइल कंपाउंड फॉर्म होगा, डबल बॉन्ड है, विनाइल कंपाउंड। और इस पे एक मॉलिक्यूल ऐड होगा, वहां पर C पे H, इस पे Z, क्या बन जाएगा? सिंगल बॉन्ड H H Z. So 2 molecules will be added on it. Why 2 molecules will get added on alkynes? Because there are presence of 2 pi bond. तो सिग्मा है, ये दोनों कौन से बॉन्ड है? एक बार में एक पाई बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा, दूसरी बार में दूसरा पाई बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा. So 2 molecules will be added. Suppose you are adding hydrogen, 2 mole of hydrogen added. Suppose we are adding HCl, 2 mole of HCl will get added. So generally, alkyne compounds give addition reaction, 2-step addition reaction. Clear? Addition always takes place according to Markovnikov rule. Remember Markovnikov rule? Electronegative part of the reagent will add to the carbon having less number of hydrogen. So here also we have to follow Markovnikov rule while adding unsymmetrical reagent. One by one we'll discuss how this addition takes place. First is addition of hydrogen. This we had done in the preparation of alkene. Addition of hydrogen. Dihydrogen, that is H2. Suppose we have ethyne. When 1 mole of hydrogen is added in presence of nickel catalyst. If we are using nickel as a catalyst, we have to heat it. And If we are using platinum or palladium catalyst, reaction takes place at room temperature. Only in case of nickel, the temperature should be high. Hydrogen will get added on with the carbon and we have ethene. One pi bond will break, ethyne converted into ethene. Now there is chances of addition of one more of hydrogen, presence of nickel. What we have? HH और add हो जाएगा, ethane produce. This reaction we had done in the preparation of alkane compounds also. So ethyne, when hydrogen is added on it, we get ethene. And on ethene, if one more molecule of hydrogen is added in presence of nickel, we get ethane. This is called hydrogenation reaction. Because hydrogen is added, it is called hydrogenation. कीजिए add propine पे. This is called propine. इस पे मोल हाइड्रोजन ऐड किया. Suppose we use platinum or palladium. So no need to heat it because platinum and palladium react at room temperature. What we have? एक सिग्मा दो पाई बॉन्ड है. पाई बॉन्ड will break. C डबल बॉन्ड यहाँ पे H आ जाएगा. CH2 propene will be formed. And on propene, one more hydrogen is added in presence of platinum or palladium. एक एक H और ऐड हो जाएगा, एक पाई बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो जाएगा. क्या बन जाएगा? Propene. So propine gives propene on addition of hydrogen, and propene on further addition of hydrogen gives propane. Process is called catalytic hydrogenation because hydrogen is added in presence of catalyst. Reaction is known as hydrogenation reaction. First addition reaction given by alkyne compounds. Now second reaction, addition of halogen. Second addition reaction, addition of halogen. X2. Maybe fluorine, bromine, iodine. Same way, two molecules will be added. We get tetrahaloalkane. When halogen is added, we get tetrahaloalkane. कैसे देखिए? Suppose we have ethyne. Bromine is added on it. One is sigma 2 pi bond. एक pi bond break हो जाएगा. एक एक Br दोनों पे ऐड हो जाएगा. CHBr, CHBr. This is called ethyne. This is 1,2-dibromo. Ethene. Again, one more mole of bromine is added. एक एक Br और यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाएगा. पाई बॉन्ड टूट जाएगा. क्या बन जाएगा? CH Br tetrabromoethane. Tetrabromoethane. It's 1122. 1122 tetrabromo. Simple addition because the reagent is symmetrical reagent. Br2 मतलब दोनों Br ही ऐड करना है. H2 ऐड किया तो दोनों H ऐड करना है. No need of Markovnikov rule because the reagent is symmetrical. Markovnikov rule की जरूरत कब पड़ती है? When the reagent that is adding is unsymmetrical. आप ऐड कीजिए chlorine on propine. Second reaction, propine. CH3, C triple bond, CH. इस पे ऐड करते हैं क्लोरीन, एक एक Cl दोनों पे ऐड हो जाएगा, Cl डबल बॉन्ड CH, 1 2 डाई chloro-propene, one more chlorine molecule add on it, एक एक क्लोरीन और यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाएगा, सिंगल बॉन्ड बन जाएगा, ClCl CH CH, 1 1 2 2 tetrachloro-propane. So addition of halogen gives tetrahaloalkane. पहले बनेगा डाइहेलोअल्कीन और फिर बनेगा tetrahaloalkane. Simple addition of halogen on alkyne compounds. Now third reaction, addition of hydrogen halide. अब मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल लगाना पड़ेगा because the reagent is unsymmetrical. Addition of hydrogen halide. That is HX. मतलब HCl, HBr, HI इनका addition. The addition takes place according to Markovnikov rule. The electronegative part of the reagent will add to the carbon having less number of hydrogen. See how? Suppose we use ethyne और उस पे ऐड कर रहे हैं HCl. Now ethyne is symmetrical. Both triple bonded carbon has same number of hydrogen atoms, so no need to apply Markovnikov rule. There is no need only because electronegative part will add to the carbon having less number of hydrogen. So here to both the carbon have same number of hydrogen. To any carbon we can add halogen. To another carbon we can add hydrogen. So H will add here, Cl will add. आप कैसे उल्टा भी ऐड कर सकते हो, Cl फर्स्ट कार्बन पे है, सेकंड पे, then 2 it's okay. The product will be CH2 double bond CH Cl. इसका नाम होता है कॉमन नेम विनाइल क्लोराइड. जब इथाइल हो ना, C2H5 is called ethyl. This is CH2 double bond CHCl is known as vinyl chloride. Common name is vinyl chloride. What is IUPAC name? IUPAC name is chloroethene. Chloroethene. One more molecule of HCl get added. Anywhere we can place hydrogen and halogen. Already जहाँ पे halogen ऐड किया है, उसी कार्बन पे दूसरा halogen भी ऐड होगा. Here, so product will be CH3 CH Cl. This is called geminal dihalide. 1,1 dichloroethane. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Geminal dihalide. विसिनल पढ़ा था हमने, ये जेमिनल. एक ही कार्बन पे अगर दोनों हैलोजन प्रेजेंट हो, two similar halogen present on two similar one carbon atom, it is known as geminal dihalide. And if to two neighboring carbon atoms, two halogen atoms are attached, it is known as vicinal dihalide. So this is geminal dihalide. Always geminal dihalide will be obtained when addition of hydrogen halide takes place. Okay. See one more example. Addition of HBr on propyne. CH3 C triple bond CH propyne. HBr add. Now we have to follow Markovnikov rule. Because this time alkyne is not symmetrical. To triple bonded carbon, it has one hydrogen, it has zero hydrogen. So according to Markovnikov rule, electronegative part of the reagent will add to the carbon having less number of hydrogen. So this Br will move to this carbon, hydrogen. क्या बनेगा? CH3 Br double bond CH 2 bromopropene 2 bromopropene. One more time HBr added. As I told you, second Br will move to the carbon to which already one halogen is attached. So this Br will move to this carbon. That is C, Br, Br, CH3. 2 dibromopropane. 2 dibromo. This is called hydrohalogenation reaction. Because hydrogen halide is added, the reaction is known as hydrohalogenation. Suppose we are adding hydrogen, reaction is known as hydrogenation. If we are adding halogen, it is called halogenation. But if we are adding hydrogen halide, reaction is known as hydrohalogenation. So this reaction is called hydrohalogenation because addition of HX takes place in presence of, according to Markovnikov. Now next addition reaction is addition of water. Very important reaction. Addition of water is called hydration. Addition of water. Addition of water is known as hydration. Removal of water is called dehydration. Addition of water is known as hydration reaction. Here also, water is added on alkyne according to Markovnikov rule. कैसे देखिए? Suppose we have ethyne. Water is added on it in presence of HgSO4, H2SO4. Mercuric sulfate. Hg का वैलेंसी कितना है? +2. कभी कभी HgSO4 नहीं लिख के Hg2+ भी लिखते हैं. मर्क्यूरिक सल्फेट और सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड की प्रेजेंस में रिएक्शन होता है. वाटर ऐड होता है. कैसे होगा? We know in water we have HNOH. One carbon H is added, another carbon OH. Product is CH2 double bond CHOH. Vinyl alcohol is produced. क्या नाम है इसका? Vinyl alcohol. I told you this group is called vinyl group. So it is vinyl alcohol. Now rearrangement takes place. How this rearrangement takes place? See, double bond अभी जैसे ऑक्सीजन पास है, हाइड्रोजन को इधर से क्या बन जाएगा? CH3 single bond CH double bond O, or we can write it as CH3 CH2. क्या नाम है इसका? एसिटाल्डिहाइड. एसिटाल्डिहाइड. और क्या बोलते हैं? इथेनॉल. फिर आएगा ये रिएक्शन 12th स्टैंडर्ड. 12th स्टैंडर्ड में हमको एल्डिहाइड कीटोन वाला चैप्टर पढ़ना है ना, उसमें आएगा. So ethyne, water is added in presence of H2SO4 and HgSO4. The product obtained is first vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol. And rearrangement takes place, tautomerism takes place. Vinyl alcohol here, aldehyde. So CH3CHO, that is acetaldehyde, or ethanol is produced. See one more example. Propyne. फिर पानी का एडिशन. addition of water on propine. This is propine. First water is added on it in presence of mercuric ion H2SO4. पूरा HgSO4 में लिख कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Hg2 plus मतलब mercuric और Hg1 plus मतलब mercurous. So reaction taking place in presence of mercuric ion. Okay. Now we have to add water according to Markovnikov rule. We have H plus and OH minus in water. Electronegative part will add to the carbon having less number of hydrogens. Electronegative part, OH minus, will add to the carbon having less number of hydrogens. क्या बनेगा? CH3, C, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा OH, डबल बॉन्ड, CH. इसको विनाइल अल्कोहल बोलते हैं. एल्केन क्या बोलेंगे? प्रो 1 in 2 on. ऐसे नंबर कीजिए. प्रो 1 in 2 on. अब इसमें रीअरेंजमेंट होगा. कैसे बताया था? How the rearrangement takes place? Double bond will shift to oxygen, hydrogen shift here. It will become CH3, C double bond O, CH. क्या नाम है इसका? एसीटोन. और क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोपेनॉल. एसीटोन और so addition of water on alkyne gives aldehyde or ketone. एक ही alkyne है जो aldehyde देता है, that is ethyne. Only one aldehyde is formed by addition of water on alkyne, and that is acetaldehyde. बाकी आप किसी भी alkyne पे पानी ऐड करोगे, प्रोडक्ट क्या मिलेगा? कीटोन. याद रखनी है बात. What is that? Only ethyne on hydration gives acetaldehyde. Rest all alkynes on hydration gives ketone.